In this daily drop, we're going to talk about matching your battery solution with the equipment you're using. So let's go. All right, here we are, another day, another daily drop. And this one is going to be about powering equipment. Now, what I have here to my right is the TopRig S40 slider. I have both the S40 and S60 in-house right now for some testing. Still trying to work some stuff out at the moment, but it will be an episode that's coming in the near future. Now, this slider and the S60 do not do something I wish they did, which is allow themselves to be powered by USB-C, power delivery. So what I've done is I have found a Sony NPF to USB-C solution, which I'm testing out. And if you've been watching the Daily Drop, you probably know that I really, really like USB-C as a powering solution. Now, it's not my favorite connector in the world, neither is HDMI, but the fact that I can power my laptop, I can power cameras, I can power lights, all kinds of stuff, microphones, it is just a great universal solution. So whether I'm powering it off of power bricks or batteries, I like to stick with one solution as best as I can. And now that the iPhone 15 is USB-C powered as well, it just makes life that much easier. I don't have the USB-C AirPods yet, but we'll see what happens in the future. All right, so I have this solution here, which is a Sony NPF to USB-C powering solution. And this particular slider needs 7.4 to 16.8 volts. I'm going to go ahead and just seat this here, click that into place. And what I did first and foremost was take my Anker 737 battery, which I absolutely love, 140 watts, so on and so forth. And I plugged the slider into there to do a test, turned it on, started the calibration process. Here it's going. And then boom, immediately get a low voltage is detected and protection is activated warning. Everything shuts off here, which is a good thing. Another reason I really like the Anker batteries. So that's not a solution. So upon further investigation, silly me, I realized that this is only capable of outputting 5 volts maximum. So I did my research and I picked this up right here, and that is the Anker 735. So this is a 200 watt solution. You can get up to 100 watts out of each of the USB-C outputs, but it's up to 20 volts and 5 amp output from USB-C power delivery. So got this battery today, plugged it in, turned it on, went into calibration mode. It has to run this each time. Again, I'll go through all of this later on. And once it's calibrated, set it up and start going. And it's a beautiful thing. I tested it for quite some time and it all makes sense. It has the voltage that it needs to power this particular solution. I now can run this off of either a power bank or I can run it off of a power brick. I consider this a power bank or battery solution. So this is the Anker 735. If you need something that's got more voltage to power the right kind of equipment that would need that, this might be a solution for you. I'll put a link to it in the description. Don't forget to, and I'll see you on the next episode of The Daily Drop.